When we buy assets, we have seen that we record them at cost price. But I usually have a question from my audience as to the subsequent value of these assets.
I have a question. My company bought an asset several years ago, and today it has appreciated to 10 times the original cost. Can we account for the appreciation in an asset like the way you mentioned about depreciation?
I'm a millionaire.
Cost or market value? That's a debate that's continuously happening in the accounting standards. The answer to this depends on which accounting rule or accounting standards apply to a company. If you follow accounting rule called IFRS, IFRS allows two methods for accounting of fixed assets. You have the cost model and the revaluation model. In the cost model, assets are at the historical cost minus the accumulated depreciation and the impairment loss. There is no upward valuation of assets. Now coming to the revaluation model. Under the revaluation model, an asset is initially recorded at cost, but subsequently its carrying amount is compared to the fair value of the asset. If there is any material differences that we need to adjust, we will adjust for that. So if the fair value of the asset is exceeding its book value, the asset is revalued upward and the difference is adjusted as a gain in the comprehensive income statement. The revaluation model allows for both upward and downward value of the assets, while the cost model allows only downward adjustment due to impairment loss. Revaluation of course should be done periodically so that the assets reflects its fair value.
I want to know.
I know what you want to ask. What's a comprehensive income statement? Don't worry, we will be doing this in the next module.